Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send a DM on X. So before we start, I need to mention one thing, and that's that you can only DM people who follow you on X or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's start. Open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to tap this letter icon that looks like this. That's your messages section. So tap button that says write a message right here, or you can tap this icon, letter icon in the bottom right. So now you have to search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. And from the list that appears, you have to select the specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So in this text box, you have to type your message. And when you are ready, hit send button. This is this paper plane icon right here. So now you see that my message is sent to my person. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.